So what we are exactly doing is we are trying to move from ands to maths. Okay, so from ANTs to MATHS. That's a fantastic acronym to remember these terms. So you can use it for yourself as well. Just go through it. So when I say we are talking about the third R, which is about replacing. What are we trying to replace? We are trying to replace the automatic negative thoughts with more accurate thoughts. Now, more accurate thoughts are the ones which will qualify the test of accuracy, validity, and utility. So just go through. I hope you have gone through, but I will just read it out once again. Okay. So say there is a negative thought which says, I must have done something wrong. Like say my boss just gave me a call and he's like, Shambhavi, just come see me in my cabin right now. And I'm thinking I must have done something wrong. Now, this is a automatic negative thought. Also, can you figure out what's the cognitive distortion here? So this cognitive distortion is actually fortune telling. Yeah. So what are you doing here? Um, Blaming, no, Ruchi, it won't be blaming. Blaming is when you are doing something and you're blaming it onto someone else. So this is not a blame. Here, what is happening is I just received a call. My boss is saying, Shambhavi, come and see me. He has not said anything that there's something wrong or anything, but he just asked me, like, come and see me. But I am thinking, so I am doing a fortune telling basically. So I am thinking about, this probably could be like this. Okay, what is personalization? Personalization is something that has happened and I'm connecting it to me. So say I go to the cabin and I find my boss to be like very, very furious. And I start thinking, oh, this is something to do with me. I have done something wrong and that has made this person so furious. That will be personalization. Okay. So I am internalizing everything. So whatever I'm seeing, I am internalizing. I feel I am responsible. What is emotional reasoning, Aditya? Emotional reasoning is when I am feeling something in this given moment. Okay, so say I might be feeling that I look fat, or say, okay, that could be a fact. Okay, I could be fat. Okay, let's not take that as an example. I could so there could be say an emotion that I'm feeling that I am not beautiful. Okay, or say I'm feeling sad. And now I am emotionally reasoning, as in I start feeling that if I'm not feeling beautiful right now, that means I am actually an ugly person, or say I am just not beautiful. So this is emotional reasoning. That is, whatever I am feeling in this given moment, I start generalizing it in such a way that this is it. Whatever I'm feeling, it might be a result of something else. Probably I just got a pimple today on my face, and looking at that, I'm thinking that, oh, I'm looking beautiful. I'm not looking beautiful today. So it is probably just that incident. But what I'm doing here is I am trying to, I'm giving an emotional reasoning for this particular emotion that I'm feeling. I'm trying to say, think that this is it. Okay, so that is emotional reasoning, when you're using your emotions for reasoning purpose. And personalization, yes. So that is a different thing. Emotional reasoning is different. Blaming is different. Okay. So what is this actually? This is actually about what we say as fortune telling. So, you are thinking in that way. So also this can be mind reading. Remember that cognitive distortion? So you are thinking that this person probably is thinking in this way, and so he has called me to escape me. So it is also mind reading. So this is how a lot of times you will see a lot of overlap, and it is okay. But you need to understand this is a cognitive distortion here. Okay, that is important. Then again, the when you have this distortion, how do you replace this automatic thought? There could be many reasons. They have asked me to see them. I really have no idea what they're thinking. So this becomes more accurate thought. Okay. So if instead of this automatic negative thought, if you indulge more in this accurate thought, you will understand there is a shift which comes over in how you're feeling, the emotion that you're experiencing, that will see a change. Okay. So similarly, there are these couple of other examples that I've given you, like my supervisor will be upset. So the other alternative that we have here is they don't normally get upset. So I have no idea how this will turn out. So let's see what happens. So this is how we generally replace automatic negative thought with something which is more accurate as a thought. Okay, so these are just a couple of examples that I have given you. You can go through them at ease. All the slides and everything will be shared with you, so don't worry, this material will be there with you later.